You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make commercial plantain chips. You can start your own plantain chips business. As little as your money is, you can start this lovely business. Yes, for this video, I'll be using semi-ripe and unripe plantain. I'm not adding the ripe, I removed the ripe ones. So please, if you're selecting plantains, make sure you select the ones that are really okay. Please, it enhances the taste of your plantain, because if you select the bad ones, you will suffer, because after frying it will not be sweet. So you need those sweet plantain, so make sure you select good plantain. Yes, I'm using semi-ripe and unripe plantain for this recipe. You can see even the semi-ripe is not even ripe, it's still strong. So I'm going to wash thoroughly and I will start opening my plantain up. If you're in Nigeria, you know plantain in Nigeria has a lot of gums. Let me share a secret to you. Yes, the secret is, after washing your plantain, you look for a bigger bowl or basin, pour all the plantain, add more water, cover the plantain with water, and you drop oil, vegetable oil, inside the plantain, inside the water, and you start peeling. Peel from the water, so I promised you the gum will not disturb your knife. It will not disturb your hands till you finish peeling your plantain. That's my little secret. I have been enjoying this particular tip from Nigeria, so I believe it will be helpful to you. Here in the UK, peeling plantain is war. It's very hard to peel this plantain, but I have to do it because I need to make this today. So I'm almost done. This is the last one I'm peeling. So just take your time and do this. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video. After peeling, I have to rewash it again before I will start frying. Somebody will say, are you not cutting it? Yeah, I'm not cutting immediately. I have to do the cutting right inside the oil. So I have to start washing immediately. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love a lot. So feel free to explore my channel and enjoy yourself, because I know you're going to learn a lot. So enjoy. The videos I have on my channel is more than enough for you. So after washing, I have to clear my sink immediately before we start the frying side. Then again, if you are new, you have not subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. This is what I'm using. I'm using just half teaspoon of salt. This is the grater. I'm using onions, half onion, and I'll be using this is my pepper towel, sieve, and pepper towel with another tray. And right now I've started preheating my oil. You need to make sure your oil is very hot. Yes, I added the half teaspoon of salt straight to the oil, and I will stir it and allow it. Another thing you need to do right here is to make sure you use a deep frying pan. It's very important. Use deep frying pan when frying this, especially when you're doing it for commercial purpose. Yes, so that it can enter a whole lot. So I added the onions immediately. These onions, I just want the taste to enter the oil. Yeah, the flavor or the taste, whatever, to enter the oil. So right now I'm going to be using this particular side to grate my plantain, or to slice my plantain. Look at that. To me, this is the easiest way to make plantain chips, because sitting down and cutting this one after the other, you waste all the whole time cutting before you now start frying. No, this is the perfect way. It will even help your plantain to separate on their own. Yeah, to me, this is the easiest and perfect way to make plantain chips for commercial purpose. Yes, especially when you're selling it. So that's just the truth, because it's the easiest way and the fastest way. Yes, so feel free to try this. If you don't have this particular grater, you can check for other graters that have these parts. Yeah, there are so many graters in the market. Just look for the one that has this part or section, this particular section or part. Yeah, that's all you need. So I'm just doing these. At the time I tried using only one. I'm using the tray at once, but at the time I started using only one, the upper one. At the time I started using the down one. So to me it's the easiest. So right now I have to take out all the onions, because they are, I believe the flavors has entered, so no need of interrupting what I'm doing. So I have to release them from the fire or from the oil. So I have to remove all immediately. So if you have not liked my video, what are you waiting for? Please give me thumbs up. Just click on the like button. Feel free to share my videos. Share to your friends and family. If you know someone that wants to start plantain chips business, this video is for that person. Share to the person, because this is the easiest way. You can even fry more than 3 bunches or 3 whatever of plantain without stress. When I mean without stress, you will not even feel that you have done anything. That's just the serious truth. This is the easiest way to handle it. You can still see remaining of our salt down there, so you don't need to add salt, much salt, just a little salt to the oil. You're good to go. Some people love spicing their own, no problem, it's up to you, but to me I'm okay with only salt. Some people mix pepper, mix salt, mix, some even add turmeric, some even add so many things. Feel free to do what suits you, no problem. But I'm okay with this. I love the taste. The taste is amazing. Just try it and I know you'll come back thanking me. That's just a serious truth. If you don't want to even do it for business, you can do it for your family to also enjoy. That is it. This is so easy. Don't even look at this video and think, this woman, no, you can do it. I'm telling you, you can do it. This is the secret you don't know. I'm exposing every telling you can do this. It's very, very, very easy to handle. Just with your grater, you can make a whole lot of plantain. You can grate a whole lot, fry, even fry. Seriously, I know what I'm saying. You can do it. So continue this way. Fry, and fry. If you're doing this for business, you can either use a sealer and seal in little packs, or you buy cling film. There are cling film that are in a small size. You can package big, small, medium, and you sell it that way. See, the easiest way to look for customers are even people in your church, your neighbors. You can, the first batch, you can distribute, give it out to people to just have a taste. I promised you, after the taste, tell them you are making it for business. You will see somebody will start calling you, please make this for me, make this for me. You will start making money from it. You can do this from your home. You don't need a shop to start plantain chips business. This is so easy and okay to start with. So you can package, you can even pack in containers, take away packs, take away plates, plastic takeaways, and so many things. You can package it in your own way. That is the easiest business I know you can start now, without even looking for somebody to come and train you. You don't need a trainer in this case. You can start this the next day, or even as you're watching this video, you are heading to markets to buy things to start, because this is so easy to start. So please, I want reviews, and I want people to comment. I want people to let me know that they are going to try this. I want people to tell me. So as in, come to my Instagram, come to my Telegram, come to my Facebook, all at Progressive Recipes. Show me what you have done. Show me you have started your own plantain chips business. I will really appreciate, and I'll be very happy. This video was very helpful. So feel free to like this video, share to your friends and family. You see the beauty. Just take your time. When you notice that the oil is not even like raising bubbles again, just to know that it's ready. You can see it's cracky, so you remove. That's just the way you fry till you are done frying. Everything is looking so crispy, crunchy and delicious. That is just that. So even though your salt finish, or you notice the last batch the salt is not enough, you can feel free to add a little salt to it. Just add a little salt to the oil again and you continue. That's just it. And those little parts that you will remain, don't shred everything and you can cut your hand though. So better if the plantain is remaining small at the tips or the ending part, please keep it outside. Later you can use your knife. This small part, you can use knife, normal kitchen knife, and cut it. Yes, you can use normal kitchen knife and cut it and fry again, or fry it again. That is just that. So continue this way. I'm taking my time to show this so that somebody magic is so easy. When I mean it's easy, this is the part I'm talking about. You can use your kitchen knife and cut it. It's very easy. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. Join this lovely family. Check out my videos. I know you will enjoy a whole lot. I have a lot of videos for you, so enjoy. This is the last part I'm fried. You can see the outcome. Oh, looking so pretty and beautiful. Have you liked this video? If you have not liked, give me thumbs up. Just like my video, comment. Good thing is good. Please comment, like this video, share to your friends and family. You can see that little plantain. You see what we got from it, so big. In Nigeria, if you have paint, this is more than a paint. Yes, it's more than a paint. So this is another clean film you can use to package in small quantity. They have bigger size, they have medium, they have the large, semi-large and all that. So depending on how much you want to sell, you can package. You can start with your church people and start selling to them. If you package small like this, you see somebody will, no matter the price will be affordable for them to at least to have a taste. So that is it. So that after tasting, maybe next time they will want a bigger quantity. That's the way we'll start business. Please start something in this 2024. Please don't go and relax. Are you a stay-at-home mom? Please don't fold your hands. Start doing something for yourself and start saving small pocket money. It's good. It's good to have something you are doing. Like I said, you don't need a trainer. This is only video you need to start this business. And I know as you're watching it, start writing down things to go and buy. So cracky and fine. So please start this business, and I believe you will be happy and you will come back to say, thank you, ma, for even posting this video. I'm so happy. And to all my old subscribers, thanks a million for always tuning in. Thanks a million for watching this video, and take care of all yourselves. I love you so much. See you next time in my next. Bye.